It's my first day in the trading app, and all I have is this homemade fidget. Let's see if I'll still be able to get in the home trade. Okay. So I have to enter a code. Let's enter a code. Guys, I'm in. Okay, guys, I'm in. Oh, I just saw this bucket. Okay, I think it wants me to put this fidget in and I come back with a new fidget. So let's see what I get. Whoa. Ew. What is this? Oh my gosh, I just want my homemade fidget back. This is so worse. Can I get my homemade fidget back, please? Oh, it just appeared over here. Okay, perfect. Let's go. Okay, let's see if anybody wants to trade these two with me. Does anybody want to trade? Oh my gosh, you know what? Since you're the first person here who I ever trade with, I'll trade you something. Ooh, I'll take that hand sticky thing to trade you for my dinosaur puppet. You accept? Oh, wow, sure. Here you go. Accept. Wow, this is actually a pretty cool puppet, or fidget, I should say. Do you want this homemade fidget too? It's actually really fun to play with. You know what? Sure, I'll take that. I'll trade you my Peppa Pig puppet for that homemade fidget. Hope you accept. Oh my gosh, yes. Here you go. Accept. Thank you. No problem, bruh. Bye. Oh, bye, I guess. Okay, well, I got two new fidgets. Perfect. Does anybody else wants to trade these poppets for something rare? Oh my gosh, she is the rare banana. Let's see if she wants to trade. Hey girl, do you want to trade anything? I promise. Do you want to trade something? Well, this banana is actually really rare. Well, first off, what's your theme? Oh, I don't really know my theme. I guess my theme's poppets, I guess. And you don't have poppets, but I do want the rare banana. Well, if your theme is poppets, I can't give you this rare banana. Sorry. So, bye. Oh, bye, I guess. Okay, so I guess my theme is poppets, so I have to see if anybody else has poppets. Oh my gosh, that girl has a poppet. And she has I think that's a Dr. Pepper needle, I don't know, but I need that poppet. Oh, hi, do you want to trade? I kind of need one of those poppets. So, do you want my Dr. Pepper needle? Oh, no, sorry, I actually needed that poppet. I didn't know you wanted to trade something. Do I have anything else? Nope. Sorry. Well, I can't trade with you. Here, I'll tell you what. If you get me the rare banana and the Tabba Squishy, I'll let you have this poppet and the needle for free. Are you serious? I have to get you the Tabba Squishy and the rare banana for both of them? Well, I don't really need both of them. I just need one. So, oh, that's fine too. You have 5 minutes. If you're not back in 5 minutes, I'm leaving. And that's on period. Okay, I will be right back. Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm going. Oh my gosh, I have to see if that girl would give me a rare poppet. But first, I have to go trade the girl who I got the thingies from, my homemade stuff I had earlier from. So let's go trade. Hey, excuse me, yeah, you. Can I have those 2 homemade fidget backs? I kind of need them and I can't really trade anything else or I'm going to get disqualified. You mean eliminated? And sure, I didn't like them anyways. You don't even have to trade anything back. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. You don't know how much you just saved my life. No problem, you're welcome. Bye. Okay, now I have to go trade with that girl who had the rare banana. And I'll give her 2 of these homemade fidgets for that rare banana. She probably might say no because these are not really rare. But I'm going to scam her and tell her that these are really rare. Oh, hey, I saw you earlier. Do you want to trade? Yes, I have so much stuff. Okay, so I will give you this rare, really, really rare stuff. This really, really rare homemade thing. Mr. Beast made this homemade fidget. And then this homemade sticky hand palm print. It's really rare, and Mr. Beast also gave this to me. He said you could trade it with somebody, so I hope you take it. Oh my gosh, Mr. Beast, I love Mr. Beast. Here, take it. Accept. Give me this. Oh, enjoy. She has one Mr. Beast had. Oh my gosh, I will go to her, but I don't have anything to trade. If I give you this, I trade everything else. But you know what? Mr. Beast is worth it, and I bet if I be her friend, she'll give me one of them. So here you go. Okay, so earlier I gave that girl, she's my best friend, I gave her Mr. Beast's things. So you might want to trade with her because she's really rare. So can I have some sushi? Please. And I promise you she'll give you something. I'll even talk to her for you. You know what? Since she is Mr. Beast stuff, and I love Mr. Beast, he's my favorite YouTuber. No offense, Jordan Matter. But I love Mr. Beast. Since he's Mr. Beast, I'll give you the top of squishy. But you better make her let me have the squishies, or you're done for it. Yikes, really threatening, but whatever. And I promise you, I'll talk to you for her. I promise. And don't hurt me if I don't. Oh my gosh, let's go. And I'm not talking to her for her at all. Okay, wait, am I too late? I already had everything that I wanted to give you. No, you only had 2 minutes left, but since I see what you got me, then you can have this puppet, You can have it. First of all, thank you. Second of all, this took me a while, so if I see you again tomorrow, I hope, you better have something rare for me to get. Anyways, here's your stuff. Dang, don't gotta be so rude all the time. Thank you. And here. Wait a minute, you're gonna try that again. Don't throw that at me, little girl. Try that again. Ugh, okay, fine. Here, there you go. Bye-bye. Thank you. Next time, be a bit more grateful that you even have something. And next time, don't throw. That's not nice to throw up at people. Always gotta be so rude. Always stop doing too much. But anyways, I hope I pass. I hope I'm not eliminated. I hope my theme is Poppets. So let's see. Ding! That was the bell, everybody. Now, we're all going to scan your stuff in technology form. So stand by a camera and we're going to test. Oh, I see a camera. Let's go. Okay, I'm going to lay my stuff right there. Let's see if it's right. Wow, good job, Hampton. You have all that you need. You are not eliminated. You have passed this round. See you tomorrow. No, wait, I passed this round, but I have to see them tomorrow. Ugh. But whatever, at least I passed. And maybe I'll get better stuff next time by tomorrow. So, bye guys. Thanks for watching and stay tuned till tomorrow.